Welcome to OBDSync. In today's episode, we're doing a custom program on a body control module in a Holden JH Cruze. So first off, go to the vehicle menu, then go to the body control module tile. This will then begin loading in the available options for this module. If you haven't licensed this module already, it will show the licensing screen now. Once it's completed its loading, we'll see the available options along the top. So we're going to go ahead and go to the flashing, then over to the configurable options, and we can see we have the tire pressure monitoring parameter. We've already got that enabled, but we're going to click enable now, and then we're going to go back to the calibration IDs, and then when ready we'll click right. Just make sure that you do have a battery maintainer fitted before pressing right, just to ensure that your battery voltage is nice and high to prevent it from having a failed flashing sequence. Also to note, for when enabling the tire pressure monitoring system, there is two flashes that need to be done, one for the body control module and one for the instrument cluster. So this one is just the body control module so that we can actually learn the sensors to the body control module, and then for it to actually display on your instrument cluster, you need to enable that tire pressure monitoring in the instrument cluster as well, which we'll go through in a future video. So now that that's completed the flash, we can go ahead up to our learn functions. We can see we have three here. We don't need to do the brake pedal position learn, but we do need to do the tire type and pressure selection, which is obviously we select our tire type, and then we can also select the KPA or PSI options for the tires. And then finally, we do the tire pressure sensor learn, which is then learning each of the TPMS sensors into the wheel. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.